Feeling puffy after every meal? Clothes too tight by the afternoon? Bloating can make you feel uncomfortable, heavy, and frustrated even when you're eating healthy. But here's the truth, you don't have to live with it. In today's video, I'll show you 5 simple, natural changes that can reduce bloating starting today. No pills. No crash diets. Just real results with real food and habits. Welcome to day 6 of our 7-day natural wellness reset here on Awesome Naturales, your go-to space for healing, harmony, and natural health. If you've been enjoying this series, tap that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a day of feeling naturally better. Number 1. Chew more, stress less. It sounds too simple to work, but it's powerful. Digestion starts in your mouth. Most of us eat way too fast, barely chewing. This puts pressure on your stomach and intestines, leading to bloating and gas. Try chewing each bite 20 to 30 times. This gives your body time to release digestive enzymes and break down food properly. And eat without distractions. No emails. No Instagram. Just be present with your meal. Also, stress affects digestion. When you're in fight or flight mode, digestion slows down. Take 3 deep breaths before your first bite. This signals your body, it's safe to rest and digest. Number 2. Balance gut bacteria with fermented foods. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, and when that balance is off, bloating is common. The solution? Add fermented foods that naturally feed your good bacteria. Think sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, unsweetened yogurt, or even a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in water before meals. These introduce beneficial probiotics and enzymes that support smoother digestion. Start slow. Just a few spoonfuls a day can make a big difference without overwhelming your gut. Number 3. Reduce gas-producing foods, just for a while. Certain healthy foods, like beans, lentils, broccoli, onions, and cabbage, can be harder to digest for some people. They're rich in fiber and FODMAPs, which can ferment in the gut and cause bloating. You don't have to cut them forever, but try easing back and reintroducing slowly. Cooking them well, using spices like cumin or ginger, or soaking beans overnight can make them easier on your system. Listen to your body. Bloating isn't always about bad foods, it's about what your gut can handle right now. Number 4. Stay hydrated, but not during meals. Water is essential for digestion, but when you drink it matters. Drinking too much water during meals can dilute stomach acid and slow digestion, leading to bloating. Instead, sip water throughout the day, especially between meals. Add lemon, cucumber, or mint for extra digestion support. And if you're often bloated in the evening, check your fiber and water intake earlier in the day. Fiber without enough water can cause gas and constipation, 2 big causes of bloating. Number 5. Add natural carminatives, like ginger, fennel, or peppermint. Nature gives us amazing herbs and spices to reduce bloating. These are called carminatives. They help relax your digestive tract and reduce gas. Ginger is a star. Sip ginger tea before or after meals. Fennel seeds are another secret weapon. Chew a few after eating to reduce gas. Peppermint tea can also soothe spasms in the gut and reduce bloating. Even a simple habit like adding fresh herbs to your meals like parsley or cilantro can support digestion. These small tweaks add up. Let's recap the 5 simple ways to reduce bloating. Chew more, stress less. Add fermented foods. Reduce high FODMAP or gas-producing foods temporarily. Hydrate wisely between meals. Use natural carminatives like ginger, fennel, and peppermint. Remember, bloating is a signal, not a sentence. It's your body asking for support, not punishment. With a few consistent habits, your digestion can become smoother, lighter, and more energized. Which of these tips will you try first? Let us know in the comments. And if this helped you, give the video a like and subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's episode. And don't forget to download your free 3-day clean eating reset guide, linked below. It includes a simple 3-day meal plan, anti-bloating food list, and a digestion-friendly recipe you'll love. Thank you for watching, and check out other videos on our channel for more health and wellness tips.